So Platis is a global company. We have some large brands in the UK and in Turkey. We make products all around the world. Here in North America, we have our Flips pretzel brand. So we bake our pretzels here in Pennsylvania. We coat them in milk chocolate and white fudge and other flavors. We make turtles, which is chocolate, caramel, and pecans up in our New York facility. And then we bring other products from other plants around the world into the US market. Again, I support all of the Americas, so all through the Caribbean, South America, Canada, everywhere. So we're making these two brands here in North America, but we're bringing all the other ones from around the world.
We work by teams, so we have so we can keep running the plant 24/7. So we have to divide our team, our people, in 4 teams. Team 1, 2, 3, and 4.
I come to work every day because of the folks that work for me. We're a growing company. We have a lot of challenges, and I love working with people that like to solve problems and make things better. It's amazing. Work should not be a place where people don't enjoy. You spend a lot of time here, so if you spend more time with people at work, you should have a good time. Happy people are more productive, and it's fun to work for a company where people enjoy what they do, passionate about it, and they enjoy coming to work and being around everybody.
Well, what we had fun all day is that make it happy, my people, to be comfortable all day and have a good day all day, happy, not angry, you know? I dance with them.
My team makes me get up out of bed and come to work every day. I really enjoy watching people grow, learn, and develop their skills to build the courage of, you know, I didn't think I could do that. And when they achieve success, you know, I'm really proud of what they've done for themselves. And I'm happy that I could be here to support them, give them the opportunities to do those things.
Passion, chocolate. Chocolate is my passion. But my people on the floor, they make my day.